Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this video is being sponsored by the Original Queen Company. That's right, me and Original Queen had tamed up to bring you guys another wonderful wig review. And if you want to know how to even find Original Queen, well, look no further. I, the Tame One, will tell you where to find them. They're on Amazon. Okay. Anywho. But yes, this is another one of their beautiful units. You know, I've been rocking with Original Queen for some years, and trust and believe, we always make beautiful, beautiful, beautiful music together. So let's get into this one here. So, like I said, this comes from the Original Queen Company. Love them. All their info is on the back of the box. And they have different types of hair. They have kinky curly. They do have kinky straight, I believe, which you guys know I'm a fan of kinky straight. But they have different textures. But this particular unit that I have on my head is a lace wig. This one is straight. It actually is 12 inches. This is the bag that it comes in. This is a lace front unit. I didn't have to pluck the hairline or anything, but the only thing I did do was pluck an actual part, because I knew for a fact when I wear this, I was gonna wear it into just a part. You know, a part on the side, simple, get up and go type of unit. What else is in here? Let's see. Another pamphlet. It tells you, more about Original Queen. Definitely tells you like their type of products and all that fun stuff. And they give you a wig cap. I love it when they give out the right color of the wig caps. Thank you. Makes my life a little bit easier, especially if I didn't stock up on wig caps. So yeah, but yes. So like I said, that's what's in the box. So let me go on and tell you my little review on this unit. And trust and believe, it is nothing but pure positive vibes, nothing but pure good and gold for you. Yes. Anyway, so there are 3 combs in the front. There's a comb on, no it's not. Yeah, it's 3 combs in the front. Sorry. There's 3 combs in the front, so there's 2 on the side, 1 in the center. You guys know I never use that one in the center because I usually end up spraying mine down or tack my wig down. There's a comb in the back along with the adjustable straps, but this unit has something that's super, super, super different than any of their other wigs. I got it. I didn't even open it right away. I touched the hair and I was like, oh, okay, it still feels good. You know, something that I'm used to when I'm wearing my Original Queen wigs. But this is my first straight one. This is my first short straight one too. I don't really get too many short ones. And if I do, they're usually about 14, 16 inches. This is 12 inch. So this actually mimics a really cute wrap type bob type of look. And it actually worked out really good. You can't see the lace. I didn't even melt the lace. I didn't even install this unit. But like I was saying, I got off track, sorry. But it comes with an actual wig band. So it comes with a strap that's in the right spot when you're actually tacking down a wig band. And like I said, I did tell you guys before, I will make a video on how I do my wig bands in my wigs. But this one comes with it. And when I tell you that this fits so snug, oh my goodness, like I don't even have to use the freeze spray, but I like to do it because of course, like I don't want it to move, and I have, I'm always running my hands through it and I don't want it to go anywhere. But yes, this does come with the adjustable strap. It comes with a wig band, and like I said, it works. It feels so good. This feels like it's definitely not coming off. It's very the density on this unit, I am going to say this, it is thinner to my liking, but I do get a lot of people that cannot handle 180, 150, sometimes not even 130 hair. So I feel like this is actually about 130. And like I said, I'm not used to thin hair. But for how it looks, I can definitely see myself wearing this in the summertime, especially in Texas, because when it gets rough and rowdy out there in this Texas heat, it get rough and rowdy. Just saying. it's a little epic. But yes, it's very lightweight. I can definitely see myself wearing this wig again more than once. I can see myself actually ordering another one of these, and it was definitely worth it. That's all I can tell you. This wig is definitely worth it. It is definitely big head friendly, so I'm going to tell you guys that now. And with having that strap, that's what makes it big head friendly. You don't have to worry about the adjustable straps. As long as you keep the that wig band intact, you're good to go. So if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.